Hi everyone, thanks for joining us again. Robert with Tampa Bay Auto Network, here to do a walk around with you on this 2018 Hyundai Elantra SEL. The point of our walk arounds is simple: transparency. To show you the things that will not show up in our 100 high definition photos located on our website. If you're on our website and would like to see those photos, just scroll down. They're located below this video. If you'd like to see a detailed vehicle description which highlights the features and options of this Elantra, just scroll up. It's located above this video. If you're on our YouTube page and would like to see either of those and get a free CARFAX report, original window sticker, financing options, and a free quote for shipping anywhere in the country, please visit TampaBayAutoNetwork.com. At the end of this video, you'll be able to hear the engine running on this Hyundai Elantra. Thank you for joining us. Let's get to that walk around. All right, the quick walk around on the exterior of this Elantra. Tread. Front here, very tiny, small touched up chips that you would not see in our photos. But if you're 2 feet away, they are gone. As you can see under the LED lights that we have here, it is perfectly clean. No scratches, dings, dents. The guy took great care of this Elantra. Roof, also in great condition. All right, let's take a look at the interior, shall we? All right. Quick peek at the interior, because there's really nothing for me to say that won't show in our photos. This has been extremely well taken care of. Dashboard, steering wheel, center console, everything's in great shape. Back seat, there you go. No stains, rips, frayed, stitching, nothing. This is a beautiful one, guys.